if you will be asking me to choose Senate or Congress, of course I will choose.
Maraming viral kayo sa napakagandang imigil sa Congress. Maraming mga Filipino sinasabi na comedy ang Senado.
Really?
Maraming nagsasabi na mas bagay kayo doon.
Uy,
Senado o Congress po?
you know what? Fan ako ni Risa Ontiveros, ha? I find her so bright. I find her so dedicated. And I find her so strongly willed. At fan din ako ni Senator Win kasi nakakarating ako sa opisina niyan. Ay, sipag-sipag. Talagang nag-aaral, nakikita ko yung kanyang mga notebooks. Alam mo kaming mga members of the legislative, both the Congress and the Senate, kami may iba't ibang field na pinanggalingan. No? And I must say, kung anumang naging exposure naming lahat before this time na kami naging congressmen at saka senators, ito'y lahat ay nakakatulong sa amin in our job to legislate for the Philippine nation. No? So, if you will be asking me to choose Senate or Congress, of course, I will choose Congress. Dahil mahal ko ang taga Batangas 2nd District. At salamat po sa mga nagre-raise nitong mga kwentuhan na to, should I say, na si Beatrix ba, si Luis ba, dapat tumakbo ng senador. Salamat po sa inyong appreciation. But in all sincerity, I'm happy being the Congresswoman of Batangas 2nd District because I love very much the people of Mabini, Bawan, San Pascual, San Luis, Lubo, and Tingloy. I am truly fulfilled in my job as representative of Batangas 2nd District.
Ma'am, do you have time for one